What are some free entertainment options? If you are a teenager looking for ways to have fun without spending money, you are in the right place. There are plenty of free entertainment options that can keep you engaged and entertained while also helping you save money. Let's take a look at some great ideas that are not only enjoyable but also beneficial for your budget and personal growth. First, consider exploring your neighborhood on foot or by bike. This is a fantastic way to get exercise while discovering local parks, landmarks, or interesting spots nearby. You might be surprised by what you find just around the corner. Another classic option is to play board games or card games with family or friends. These games are a screen-free way to challenge your mind and have a great time together. You can even organize a game night to make it more special. Reading is another wonderful way to spend your time. Join a local library and check out books or participate in a book club. Reading can transport you to different worlds and teach you new things without costing you a dime. If you enjoy being creative, try your hand at crafts like drawing, painting, or DIY projects. Use simple materials you already have at home to express yourself artistically. This can be a fun way to learn new skills while keeping your costs down. Baking or cooking new recipes with ingredients you already have is another enjoyable activity. Experimenting in the kitchen can lead to delicious homemade treats and is a great way to bond with family or friends. Music is a fantastic source of entertainment. Listen to your favorite songs, dance around, or learn to play an instrument if you have one. Music can lift your spirits and keep you active. Volunteering in your community is not only rewarding but also a great way to meet new people. Consider helping out at local food banks, animal shelters, or participating in community cleanups. It feels good to give back while making new connections. Outdoor sports or games like soccer, basketball, tag, or frisbee are perfect for staying active and social. Gather some friends or family and enjoy the fresh air while having fun. If you have access to a garden or even indoor pots, spend some time gardening. Caring for plants can be relaxing and teaches responsibility. For more specific ideas, consider organizing a screen-free game night with friends or family using board games or puzzles. Revisit hobbies or toys from your childhood that you still enjoy. Visiting free local attractions such as museums, parks, or community events can also be a great way to spend your time. You can create an aerobics or dance class at home with friends or family to stay active together. Lastly, starting a journal or creative writing project can help you explore your thoughts and ideas. These free entertainment options not only help you save money but also encourage healthy habits, creativity, and social interaction. By choosing these activities, you can enjoy your free time while managing your budget wisely.